We all know the benefits of cold compressed oil. At that time, we came across this brand named as Standard Cold Compressed Oil. We have been using their product from past few years and the quality is really amazing. They also have different products like soap, cane sugar, pure honey, ghee, etc. They also have millet noodles. To know more products, check their website. The link is given in the description box. Thank you so much.
Cold-pressed oils are rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C and other healthy fats, as they preserve the potent nutrients of their ingredients and maintain their natural form.